In the heart of Burkina Faso, there is a story that reveals the true character of Captain Ibrahim Traoré, the man who has captured the hearts of millions. This story is not about politics, not about power, but about humanity. One day, while moving through the streets, Ibrahim Traoré came across someone he once knew, a childhood friend. But this was not a reunion of joy. His old friend was sitting by the roadside, worn out by life, begging for food and survival. For a moment, the weight of leadership disappeared, and what remained was the heart of a man who had never forgotten where he came from. Instead of ignoring him, instead of walking away like many would, Ibrahim Traoré stopped. He looked at his friend with kindness and respect. He bent down, lifted him up, and embraced him. Witnesses say that his eyes were filled with emotion, as he reminded everyone that true leadership is not about sitting on thrones, it is about lifting people who have fallen. But that was not all. Ibrahim Traoré didn't just give money or a few words of comfort. He made sure his friend was given shelter, food, and dignity again. He opened doors for him to rebuild his life, proving that no one is too small to be remembered, and no one should ever be abandoned. This moment spread quickly among the people. It became a symbol of hope and compassion, showing that Africa's new generation of leaders can rise not only with strength, but with love for their people. This story is a reminder for all of us. Greatness is not measured by wealth or power, but by how much we care for those who once walked beside us. Ibrahim Traoré has shown the world that even as a leader of a nation, he never forgot the value of friendship and humanity. If this story touched your heart, remember to share it, because stories like these inspire change. And don't forget to subscribe to Traoré Life for more powerful stories about the man shaping a new future for Burkina Faso and Africa.